Hi, everyone. I'm Alex, and welcome to Daily English Speaking, the podcast where you can practice English every day in a fun and simple way.
Hi, I'm Maria. How are you, Alex?
I'm great. And how about you, Maria?
I'm good, thank you. Today, we're talking about one of the biggest goals for English learners, how to speak English like a native speaker. But before we start, don't forget to subscribe our channel for more videos.
That's right. But first, let's be clear. Sounding native doesn't mean losing your accent. It means speaking naturally, confidently, and clearly.
Exactly. It's about rhythm, expression, and understanding culture, not about being perfect.
Think about this. What do you admire about how native speakers talk? Their speed? Their pronunciation? Their confidence?
English has its own rhythm, like music. Some words are stressed, others are soft.
Listen carefully. I want to go to the store. Notice how we stress want, go, and store. The small words to and the are weak.
Exactly. English is a stress-timed language. That means the timing between stressed words stays almost the same.
Practice 1. Repeat after us. I want to go to the store.
She's looking for her phone.
We'll meet you at the park.
Pronunciation tip. Use linking sounds. Want to, wanna.
Going to. Gonna. Did you. Didya.
These connected sounds make your speech flow. That's what makes it sound natural.
Vocabulary review. Stress. Emphasis on a syllable or word. Emphasis, not emphasis.
Linking. Joining sounds together. I'm gonna go now.
Rhythm. Pattern of strong and weak beats. English has musical rhythm.
Record yourself saying, I'm gonna grab some coffee. Do you want anything? And check if your tone sounds relaxed.
One reason native speakers sound fluent is because they use chunks, ready-made phrases.
Yes, instead of thinking word by word, they use patterns like greeting. Hey, what's up?
Small talk. How's it going?
Agreeing? Yeah, totally. Or for sure.
Disagreeing softly. I'm not sure about that.
Asking for time. Do you have a sec?
Ending talk. Anyway, I've got to run.
Dialogue example. Hey, what's up?
Not much, just chillin'. How about you?
Same here. I've got to run though. Talk later.
Repeat that short dialogue and focus on intonation, rising and falling tones.
Native speakers often soften their tone. They don't always speak grammatically, but they sound friendly and natural.
To speak fluently, you need to think directly in English, not translate from your native language.
Yes, translation slows you down. Start with short thoughts in English like, I'm hungry, or it's too hot today.
Then grow them into longer sentences. For example, I think I'll grab something to eat.
Practice idea. Narrate your daily life in English.
I'm brushing my teeth.
I'm leaving for work.
Talk to yourself. It trains your brain to form English thoughts automatically.
Vocabulary review. translate. Change from one language to another. Try not to translate word for word.
Fluent. Able to speak easily. She's fluent in English.
Spend 1 hour today describing everything you do in English.
This is where English gets fun. Native speakers love idioms and slang.
Yeah, they make speech colorful. Let's go over some common ones.
Break the ice. Start a conversation. I told a joke to break the ice.
Piece of cake. Very easy. That exam was a piece of cake.
Hang out. Spend time together. Let's hang out later.
No worries. It's okay. No worries. Take your time.
I'm beat. I'm very tired. After work, I'm beat.
Catch up. Talk after time apart. Let's catch up soon.
Hey, Alex, long time no see.
I know. Let's grab coffee and catch up.
Perfect. My treat.
Use 3 idioms today when talking to your English partner.
Slang varies by region. British, American, Australian English all have their own styles.
To sound native, you also need to think culturally. English reflects the mindset of its speakers.
For example, English speakers often use polite, indirect language. Instead of, give me water, they say, could I get some water, please?
They also use humor and small talk to build connection.
Examples of indirect English. Close the door. Could you close the door, please?
I don't understand. Sorry, could you explain that again?
You're wrong. I see your point, but I think differently.
Tone and manners are key. Natives often smile, use body language, and keep eye contact, all part of communication.
Listen to a short English TV clip. Notice not just what they say, but how they say it.
All right, let's put everything together with a few practice tasks.
Challenge 1. Shadowing practice. Play a short English clip, movie, podcast, YouTube. Repeat it immediately, matching speed and tone.
Challenge 2. Real-life simulation. Order food at a restaurant using natural phrases.
Hey, can I get the chicken sandwich, please?
Oh, and could I have it to go? Challenge 3. Vocabulary upgrade. Replace simple words with native-style ones. I'm very hungry. I'm starving.
I'm very happy. I'm thrilled.
It's very cold. It's freezing.
How was your trip?
It was amazing. I had the time of my life.
Today, we learned that speaking like a native isn't about perfect grammar. It's about flow, rhythm, and connection.
Exactly. Listen, mimic, and speak every day. Don't be afraid to sound natural.
And remember, your accent is your identity. You can sound natural and proud of where you're from.
Thanks for listening to Daily English Speaking. Keep practicing, keep speaking, and keep growing.